Carl, I barely touched anything. I'm sure that whatever minor alteration may have occurred will go completely unnoticed. I could be any kid running a time machine. See? My hair is completely different. Enough talk. I know you are the one who changed the garage code. And me, Uncle. So, what's the garage code? Trash. Right. Thanks. Oh no! Carl! Somebody's stealing the time machine! Tell me, Carl. Some guy in a bowler hat. Ah, great. We're gonna find some way to blame me for this. And do you want to know what else isn't funny? Giant ant stole the time machine. You're all wound up. Let's just calm down, take a breather, and watch the sunset. I'm on it. Carl, I barely touched anything. I'm sure that whatever minor alteration may have occurred will go completely unnoticed. I could be any kid running a time machine. See? My hair is completely different. Enough talk. I know you are the one who changed the garage code. And me, Uncle. So, what's the garage code? Trash. Right. Thanks. Oh no! Carl! Somebody's stealing the time machine! Tell me, Carl. Some guy in a bowler hat. Ah, great. We're gonna find some way to blame me for this. Right. And do you want to know what else isn't funny? Giant ant stole the time machine. You're all wound up. Let's just calm down, take a breather, and watch the sunset. I'm on it.
Might I interest you in a trade?
All began in a faraway place called Zanzibar, across the bay from the city of Dar es Salaam, in East Africa. This is Zanzibar before the trouble started, a lazy island in the tropical Indian Ocean. For as long as it is there and the people have always raised spicy cloves and been ruled by sleepy sultans. The latest and greatest of them all was the Sultan Majid. The Sultan enjoyed his power because he truly cared for his people. He kept them busy and prosperous by building the biggest clove industry in the whole world. The harbor at Zanzibar was not very deep, so ships had to anchor far offshore. Day after day, the porters waded through the water to take the cloves out of the great ships. Year after year, the people of Zanzibar grew more and more clothes for the people of the world, and the lines of porters grew longer and longer. It was a still, moonlit night when the Aban Khan led the angry farmers on a most evil mission. In his crazed mind, he saw the hippos as threatening clouds in the sky, daring to stand in his way. Clouds he had to destroy at all costs.
¿Quiere usted decir que debo atender a los animales, no importa de qué especie sean? Aún no. He preparado por si él viene. Doctor, no se preocupe. Pero con esta fotografía no me será difícil reconocer al lobo Hockey. El lobo Hockey. Ya tengo referencias suyas. Estoy enterado que le gusta que lo atiendan gratis, pero no me sorprenderá. Claro. Oiga, ¿sabes? Caracoles, creo haber leído algo acerca de ello en la revista médica. Esa es una nueva enfermedad. ¿Los síntomas son de fatiga? ¿Se siente usted bien? ¿Puede hablar? ¿Siente vértigo? ¿Se le doblan las rodillas? Eso es holgazamiento. Es terrible. Espere, deténgase. Usted es un hombre enfermo. Quiero decir, un lobo. ¿Lo oí quejarse? ¿Le duele algo, amigo? Correcto. Quiere comer un pollo a la cacerola con papas fritas, champiñones y con poca grasa. ¿Qué desea tomar? No, eso no se lo puedo permitir. Está enfermo y debe permanecer aquí. Así que resignado es. Quiere distraerse sabiendo que está tan enfermo. No conozco ningún medio para curar el holgazanitis, pero sin embargo, puedo operarlo. Es la única forma en que puede sanar. Además, si no puede, seré un médico famoso. Siempre he deseado operar a alguien y ahora puedo hacerlo. Esta es mi gran oportunidad.
I passed a school one day in LA that said art and soul, and I just thought maybe that would make a good title. Just about every album I've done, I've always done some, as you say, interpretations or covers, and this was the first time I really got a chance to do a whole album. And initially I thought it would end up being just songs from the 60s, but the way it turned out, it kind of moved up through the years to when you're as old as I am. your style is pretty much in place, you know. So there have been some of these songs which were hard to do because, I mean, you know, you take a song like What's Going On from Marvin Gaye. It's so beautiful. I mean, you know, it's very hard to top it, you know what I mean? So you're looking for a bit of a different kind of integrity to put over. Because the arrangements aren't that different. But yet the inner approach was different. It was hard, you know, we started off in LA with the sessions. And this time around, I've done albums before. I've been when the earthquake came to LA the last time, and this time the fires were raging in LA, and you know, we were calling them the fire sessions for a while because, I mean, you can hear a certain dryness in my voice. There was ash falling everywhere in the sky. It was a real weird time. You know, at night I would drive back to this place we have in Valencia, seeing the freeway on fire, and you know, so it kind of gave the first few tracks we put down had this very haunting kind of atmosphere around it. I've noticed my timbre of my voice change as I get older. So now when I do vocals, I think I kind of get, you know, I get very serious about them, you know, knowing that they're going to be very defined, you know, each time I do them. But at the same time, I did most of the vocals in C.J. Vanston's studio in North Hollywood, which was a space as small as this, with his board and the booth, you know.
Yes, this is
so it was,
I'm sure
felt
will complain
very
that he
little
still can't
intrusion.
climb the tall trees.
And I was able to just kind of go off
and a
into my,
treehouse
you know,
is what we made him.
Get off my lawn! Trespasser! Do you want to be eaten alive? Then get out of here! Stay away from my house! You think you can just terrorize my lawn? Wanna be a dead person? This place is not a playground for children! This is my house! Why can't you respect that? Why can't you just stay away from...
the kitchen like they own the place. But I found their little nest, and I'm going to crawl all over their kitchens. And by which I mean, I'm going to beat them up. You coming? By my beard, do I hate spiders? Oh, thanks for helping me think that. I'll give you a bell if I need any more of the little poisonous pummeling.
Certainly, gentlemen. It's very simple. They're a countdown to the large scientific jazz. Now, nothing happens until I mix the two. Then, liquid B. Next, shake. Now, from the A and B, I get a magic formula. No can see. The swallow of no can see becomes invisible. There is one great danger, gentlemen. In formula, do I certainly? No can see. I no can see. No can see. The formula is stolen by some villainous, unscrupulous criminal. But it should be ready in about 10 years. I can't see a thing without my specs. Oh, let's see. There they are. Benjamin! My, how you've grown!
I'm sure someone's been pinching carrots from the stash I keep for the horses. Either that or they sprouted legs and walked away. Can't ask the poor horses to press on an empty stomach, especially with demonic walking carrots running free. You couldn't spare a few normal carrots, could you?
My, how nice. Oh, Benny dear, how exciting. You mean Benjamin?
That's very good of you.
Ever since I changed his first
I'm sure
diaper.
to chop these little devils up in a jiffy before they get a chance to wander off as well. It's not much, but please, Take this as payment.
Hey, guys, guess what? You'll never believe what happened. There was this poor old bag lady, and she left her bag behind, and I saved her life.
This is the first time I've ever been run over by a golf ball.
Hey, guys, guess what? You'll never believe what happened. There was this poor old bag lady, and she left her bag behind, and I saved her life.
Okay, gang. 5 o'clock. Everybody in the zoo, rise and shine. Hit the deck, fellas. On your feet, Wally.
Hello
Ready
again,
for your exercise.
fellow exterminator.
And a 1, 2,
Thanks again for helping me thin out those spiders. But looks like we missed one.
And you remember what
a
we
big
always
one
say?
at that.
Forget it.
The Queen.
Here.
The picture will only keep those blighters coming.
Come back, Wally.
So,
it's against the
when
rules
you're
to run
ready.
away.
Of course, my dear. Wait till you taste it. Excellent vintage. Sacre Blue, 1920. Yes, that's what we're having. Is there something wrong? Of course, my dear. Wait till you taste it. Excellent vintage. Sacre Blue, 1920. Yes, that's what we're having. Is there something wrong?
Buttermilk farm-style salad dressing. All you add is fresh milk and mayonnaise. I'm Burl, and this is new good seasoned buttermilk farm-style salad dressing. All you add is fresh milk and mayonnaise.
Good night.
See when I get back from my vacation,
I was helping this little guy change his tire. All of a sudden, he rolled down the hill. And fellow members of the band, we tried everything possible to make it happen. Stars, block parties, and recently the George Washington birthday ball at the Anthony Street. Why don't we just bring in new people? There's nothing historic in this thing. Just beat up building. Get your maps. Get your fresh buried treasure maps. What about me? What about me? I ain't stolen one time. I'll try to next time. If that bombs, I'll go back and look for the treasure myself. Here you are. Genuine pirate treasure maps. Get them while they're fresh.
Gone. They should finally get the message and scurry off to
Get
somewhere
your
else.
maps here. Get your buried treasure map.
An exact horrible revenge on us both.
They show you where Captain Kidd's treasure is.
I'll be
right here in
sleeping
New
with
York
one eye
City.
open.
According to the map, I take 8 paces to the left. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 5 paces to the right. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Warning, this building coming down. What if the map says anything about that? No, it just has to go straight ahead. I found it! I found it! The buried treasure! We're rich! Look! It's Captain Kidd's treasure!
Carl, I barely touched anything. I'm sure that whatever minor alteration may have occurred will go completely unnoticed. I could be any kid running a time machine. See? My hair is completely different. Enough talk. I know you are the one who changed the garage code. And me, Uncle. So, what's the garage code? Trash. Right. Thanks. Oh no! Carl! Somebody's stealing the time machine! Not me, Carl. Some guy in a bowler hat. Ah, great. They're gonna find some way to blame me for this. Is Captain Future requesting apology? All brought to you by Cornelius Robinson. Yep. Yep, my dad. He's an incredibly talented inventor. Some even call him the founder of the future. That's his motto. Yeah. You know, Dad failed way more times than he succeeded, but he kept going and never gave up. And neither should you. And that's why you're gonna go back to the science fair and fix your memory scanner. Seeing your mom isn't the answer to this. That's in the past. Your future is with the memory scanner. Just a second. The ship is almost out of fuel. We gotta take it. So, I don't have time to explain explain every last detail to you. We need to get this puppy back to my house pronto. Carl, this is serious. You haven't told anybody about that, have you? Great.
But Tomcat baby, that's against the law. Tim, what about the block party?
See, I think he's heading for the wrong window.
Are you kidding, TC baby? Benny can't play the fiddle. Officer Dibble's cousin. Dibble lent him his retirement dough, to buy the joint. And speaking of the Dibble, here he comes now.
What's this clever international jewel thief done, TC?
Looks like we'll have to, snatch the scarab from Shiley.
You would love some. 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 You would love some.
I'm Burl, and this is New Good Season's Buttermilk Farm-Style Salad Dressing. All you add is fresh milk and mayonnaise. Delicious. I'm Burl, and this is New Good Season's Buttermilk Farm-Style Salad Dressing. All you add is fresh milk and mayonnaise. Delicious.
Folks, the guy's teeth taste test is history, and the clear winner is Louisiana. In Atlanta, it's Louisiana over Lipton, 65-30. In Birmingham, 67% prefer the great taste of Louisiana. Louisiana's secret? Louisiana just tastes a whole lot better. See how satisfying iced tea can taste. Final tally, Louisiana preferred 2-1. It's the clear winner.
I like a day that's not cloudy and a tea that's not cloudy. That's why I like Louisiana. Louisiana's got special tea leaves that keep it clear as a bell all day. Now, if you're drinking Lipton or Tetley, look at the box. It tells you what to do when it turns cloudy. Louisiana says nothing about cloudy, 'cause it doesn't get cloudy. Louisiana, the one tea that's always clear as a bell.
That was given to me in Oregon. An old gentleman up there had carved it, and he knows that I like walking sticks, especially unusual ones, so it's a gift. Oh, I have many. I have one with the head of a bird. I have several Irish blackthorns, and I've many carved and decorated canes that people have sent me, and I've gotten as gifts. So I have quite a collection. I love them. I collect owls and eagles. I don't really know. I never count them. But I think it's going to be pretty good. We're doing 11 instead of 8 this year. And just a lawyer and a doctor, yeah. Yes, I think it would have been nice to have owl because I enjoyed the show. I got a theory about that. I've been around the country quite a lot, as you know, and I ask questions and I discuss things with people. And I think it's possible, now this is just a theory, from what I gathered, they all liked Hal very much, and they liked the idea of the show, but the public was very funny. They may not know exactly why they reject something, but there's always a good reason.
Next time,
and as I've discussed with people, occasionally I got a hint that
a passing elf mentioned a particularly deadly creature he was hunting. If you see him, I'm sure he could use some help.
Quote, he is also a politician, and he was always really sort of the perfect man in the perfect position, you know, with the perfect attitude. And I think that the American people don't quite have that conception of politicians. And I think subconsciously they think that this is not quite, quite so. And I was, 4th of July, I was in Bend, Oregon. We had 17,000 people seated on the side of the river, sitting on the grass. And we had a big time up there and really celebrated the 4th of July.
All began in a faraway place called Zanzibar, across the bay from the city of Dar es Salaam, in East Africa. This is Zanzibar before the trouble started, a lazy island in the tropical Indian Ocean.
Some fool dwarf has been running amok, antagonizing the Mirkwood spiders. I'd hoped to stop him before it was too late, but already his actions have drawn the attention of an even greater threat.
A vile beast that moves with terrifying speed. The Speeder. Or at least that's what I call it. Help me halt this foul creature in its tracks.
And this is new Good Season's Buttermilk Farm-style salad dressing. All you add is fresh milk and mayonnaise. Delicious. I'm Burl, and this is new Good Season's Buttermilk Farm-style salad dressing. All you add is fresh milk and mayonnaise. Delicious.
This iced tea is history, and the clear winner is... In Atlanta, it's Louisiana over Lipton, 65-30. In Birmingham, 67% because the great taste of Louisiana. Louisiana secret, Louisiana just tastes a whole lot better. See how satisfying iced tea can taste. Final tally, Louisiana preferred 2-1. It's the clear winner.
Not cloudy and a tea that's not cloudy. That's why I like Louisiana. Louisiana's got special tea leaves that...
He was quick indeed, but you, my friend, were even quicker. A commendable job. I don't believe we will be getting any further trouble from the creatures of this forest.
Louisiana.
Take this.
One tea,
You've earned
it's always
it.
clear as a bell. I like a day that's not cloudy and a tea that's not cloudy. That's why I like Louisiana. Louisiana's got special tea leaves that keep it clear as a bell all day.